Hello and welcome to Mastered. This is the first tutorial from Solidworks Coding by Practicing series. If you want to learn Solidworks from this channel and if you will like this video, please support us by clicking the subscribe and like buttons. Thank you. Let's move on to the tutorial. Today we are gonna discuss exercise number 1 of this book, which you can view from the link in the description. This exercise is about drawing the figure that we see here, which has a 3-hole and circular shape. Here you can see it's cut from the side view, which helps us to understand its thickness. So let's start drawing. Firstly, we open Solidworks and click New here, or we can click Ctrl and Shortcut. After that, we see this tab, from where we can choose either part or an assembly or a drawing. But in this case, we will choose a part. Press OK and wait. To start sketching, we have to choose a plane. Which planar we are going to sketch on. For me, the most acceptable plane is top plane. But you can choose front or right as well. Select the plane in the Sketch tab, press Sketch and start sketching. Let's look at the drawing again. We can see that it has coordination lines. We need these coordination lines as well, which we will use to build the rest of the sketch. To draw coordination lines, we will use center line, which is located in the Sketch tab. When the center line is activated, we need to check the midpoint line, which means that its distance from the center point is the same in both directions. And draw the first coordination line. Now let's draw another. These lines are perpendicular. Now get back to the drawing and draw a circle, shown on the picture, diameter of which is 80 millimeters. If you want to change the units and change them to millimeters or some other units, we click on the gear button right here, then the document properties, and after that units, where we can now choose appropriate units for us. In this case, my choice is millimeters, grams, seconds. Click OK and start drawing a circle. Diameter of which, let's remember, is 80 millimeters. We have to go to the Sketch tab and choose the circle icon. Draw the circle. After drawing the circle, use the Smart Dimension tools and apply the appropriate dimensions. As you can see, my first coordination line is too short. So I will have to increase it by simply clicking its end point and dragging it. Well, let's continue. When we are finished with the circle, go back to the drawing. Here we can see that it has 3 holes with a diameter of 10 millimeters, and they are 28 millimeters away from the center. So let's go back to the Solidworks. Draw a circle here and make it 28 millimeters away from the center by using Smart Dimension tool. Also change its diameter to 10 millimeters. But we need 3 circles. We can draw these circles one by one, or we can use circular pattern command, which is easier way to do it. And additionally, you will learn a new command. To do this, we need to go to the Sketch tab again and click the arrow next to the linear pattern and choose the circular one. Then we click our circle, which we want to pattern. Check the equal spacing. We need 3 circles. Let's also write 180 degrees because we want this pattern to be just on the half of the circle. Let's go back to the drawing, where we can see that this object has one more shape in the middle. For us to draw this shape, we need to know its exact location. Its side is located between horizontal coordination line of the drawing and the center of the small circle, which means we need to divide 28 by 2, and that's a 40. Now draw two lines which are 40 millimeters away from the coordination line each. Then for us to finish this shape, we need the next command, which is a tangent arc. So we will choose tangent arc. Now we click the upper points of the line and connect it to another. Our sketch is almost done, but it needs a bit cleaning. For this, we are using trim entity command, which is also located in the sketch tab. By clicking and holding the left button of the mouse, we remove unwanted lines. Now let's go to the Features tab and click Extrude Base command. Now we have to check the thickness of our shape. So let's look at the drawing. On the cut from the side view of the section AA, you can see that the thickness is 5 millimeters. Now let's apply it here. Finally, we got our shape, and our exercise number 1 is done. Easy, right? Tell me what you think about this tutorial in the comments, and don't forget to like video and subscribe the channel. See you in the next one. Bye.